How to integrate Salesforce with other tools. Welcome to our video guide on integrating Salesforce with other tools. In today's interconnected world, leveraging the power of integration can greatly enhance your business processes and boost productivity. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of integrating Salesforce with other tools to streamline your operations and maximize the value of your data. Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management (CRM) platform, provides a robust set of integration capabilities that enable you to connect with various third-party tools and systems. Let's explore the process of integrating Salesforce with other tools. Step 1. Identify your integration needs. The first step is to identify the tools and systems you want to integrate with Salesforce. Start by assessing your business requirements and processes. Consider the areas where integration can bring the most value, such as marketing automation, customer support, finance, or project management. Step 2. Explore pre-built integrations. Salesforce offers a wide range of pre-built integrations through its AppExchange marketplace. Explore the marketplace to find existing integrations that align with your needs. These pre-built integrations are often designed to work seamlessly with Salesforce, reducing the complexity and time required for integration. Step 3. Leverage Salesforce APIs. Salesforce provides robust APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow developers to build custom integrations. If you can't find a pre-built integration for your specific tool, consider leveraging the Salesforce API. Create a tailored integration. This requires technical expertise or the assistance of a developer. Step 4. Evaluate integration tools. There are various integration tools available that can simplify the integration process, even for non-technical users. These tools often offer drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built connectors, allowing you to connect Salesforce with other tools without writing code. Popular integration tools include Zapier, MuleSoft, and Workato. Step 5. Map data and workflows. Before integrating Salesforce with another tool, it's crucial to map out the data and workflows you want to synchronize between the systems. Identify the data fields, objects, and processes that need to be shared. This step ensures that the integration aligns with your business requirements and maintains data integrity. Step 6. Configure and test the integration. Once you have chosen the integration method and mapped out the data and workflows, it's time to configure and test the integration. Follow the instructions provided by the integration tool or API documentation. Configure the data mappings, triggers, and synchronization settings. Thoroughly test the integration to ensure it functions as expected. Step 7. Monitor and maintain the integration. Integration is an ongoing process. After implementing the integration, monitor its performance and ensure the data synchronization is accurate. Keep an eye on any updates or changes in the integrated systems that may require adjustments to the integration. Regularly review the integration to optimize its efficiency and effectiveness. Integrating Salesforce with other tools opens up a world of possibilities, enabling you to leverage the power of your CRM data and streamline your business processes. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect Salesforce with other systems, enhance collaboration, and drive better business outcomes. To learn more about integrating Salesforce with other tools or to explore pre-built integrations, visit our website or contact our support team. Thanks for watching.